Good morning everyone, and hello from Excel. We're here with the rest of the Advantage team for the Business Travel Show 2023. Over the next couple of days, we're going to be trying to bring the show out to you, some of you who maybe haven't been able to make it this year, catching up with what's going on in the show, and a lot of the seminars and breakout sessions that are going to be happening, and bringing them to you on our social channels.
So good morning, we're here also to see the suppliers that we were, supplier partners, and also bump into as many of our members as possible. It will be a little bit impromptu, so we have some meetings that are booked, but that's the show for you. So over the next 2 days, you might want to keep following us on our social media channels and on the YouTube channel that we manage as well. A lot of great content. We've got a fantastic team here to support the event, and we'll be your eyes and ears of the show over the next 2 days.
We're also going to be very excited. We're going to be releasing the 4th edition of our Global Business Travel Review this morning, and we're going to be talking to Andy Hoskins from Business Travel News about that and some of the insights and the trends that we're seeing there, so keep an eye out for that. And then tomorrow I'm going to be speaking on a panel looking at how corporates can get the most out of their relationship with TMC, so we'll be reporting back on that as well. And during the show, Stephen Baxendale, our Technology Partnerships Manager, is going to be here taking in the Travel Tech Show and seeing what's the latest and greatest in the technology space as well.
Post this show, we'll also give you an update on some of the workshops that are taking place. There'll be some really good content for you to obviously to take back to your businesses, but keep posted with everything we're doing. There's a lot going on over the next couple of days. It's a busy show, but lots of information readily available from the Advantage team.
So thanks very much, and we'll see you again soon.